in which there are of two expressions, one is of x square plus y square plus 2xy, which is on the left hand side, then the another expression is of a constant, that is 4 on the other hand. So two expressions are here equal, so then only it will be said to be called as an equation. So whereas in it the variables, so here variables are of, there are two variables in it, one is of x, then the other is of y. Then let us go for the another definition, that is linear equation. So already now just we have discussed about the definition of an equation. So an equation is a statement in which there will be of two expressions which are equal. For instance, when we consider 2x plus 1 and x minus 5, these are the two expressions. Say here there is of equality symbol, two expressions are equal, then this will come under the example of an equation in which the variable is of 1, that is x. Then now linear equation. So here linear equation mean an algebraic equation containing only one variable with the highest degree as 1. So it will come under 2x plus 1 is equals to x minus 5 will come under the linear equation, because x degrees of 1 in this case. So here x degrees of 1 in this case. So this will come under the first equation, will come under the linear equation, because it is a one variable equation. Linear equation mean consisting only one variable. So here with highest power of the degree as 1. So highest degree of the variable is of 1. So if the variable is of x and its degree is of 1, so it will come under the linear equation. Therefore the linear equation is, it is an algebraic equation containing only one variable, that is maybe x or y, one variable, or in other words variable otherwise called as literal, with highest degree, that is the highest degree of the variable must be of 1, is called a linear equation. So here linear equation mean an algebraic equation in which the variables, which must consist only one variable, and the two its degree must be of 1, then such a equation will be called as an linear equation. So here let us go for examples. So for instance, x plus 7 equals to 14. So it is the linear equation in which the variable is of x and its highest degree is of 1. So here degree of the variable is equals to degree of variable, that is x, is equals to 1, the degree is 1. So similarly, so here 2x plus 8 is equals to 15 minus 3x also will come under the linear equation in which the degree is of 1. So here the degree of the variable, that is x, is equals to 1. Then now this solving of an equation. So here solving of an equation. So here x plus 7 is equals to 14 is an equation. So we have to solve this equation for the value of x, that is the variable. So here the number which satisfies this variable, or the number which satisfies the given equation, will be called as the solution or the root of an equation. The number which satisfies the given equation is called the solution or the solution set or the root of an equation. So here let us consider the same example, that is the same linear equation, x plus 7 is equals to 14. So here example, so in our example the linear equation is of x plus 7 is equals to 14 is a linear equation with one variable, that is x, with the highest degree of the variable as 1. Then now at x is equals to 7, so here x must be replaced by means of 7, then x plus 7 is equals to 14 implies, so here x must be replaced by means of 7, then now that implies x value is of 7 plus 7 is equals to right hand side is of 14, then now 7 plus 7 is of 14 is equals to right hand side is of 14, the condition is true, so therefore the solution or the root, so here x equals to 7 will satisfy the given equation. So here hence, so x is equals to 7 is the solution or the solution set or the root of an equation. So here x equals to 7 will satisfy the equation, therefore it is said to be called as a solution or the root of an equation. Then now the definition of solving of an equation. The process of finding the particular value of the variable. So here x value is of 7. The process in which, or the process that is involved in finding the particular value, the value of the variable, is called the solving of the equation, or in other words the process of finding the value of the variable which makes the both sides of an equation equal will be called as an solving of the equation. The definition is of the process of finding the value of the variable which makes or which satisfies the given equation, or which makes both sides of the equation equal is called solving of an equation. So the equation is of x plus 7 is equals to 14. So here we have to find out the value of x. So the process in which of finding the value of the variable, that is x, is known as the solving of an equation, or the value will satisfy the both the left hand side and right hand side, or in other words it will makes the left hand side and right hand sides as equal, will be called as an solving of an equation. Then now rules of solving equations. There are 4 rules. So we can solve an equation either by adding the same quantity on both sides, or by subtracting the same quantity on either side of the equation, or by multiplying the same quantity on the other side, or by dividing the same quantity on the both sides. So the first rule is of we can add the same number or same expression on both sides of the equation. Then the next one is off. Similarly, we can subtract same number or same expression from both sides of an equation. So here, in order to solve the equation, or in order to find out the value of the variable which is present in an equation, we can add same quantity of, we can add the same number on both sides of an equation, or we can add even the same expression on both sides of the equation. Similarly, we can subtract the same quantity or an expression on both sides of from the both sides of an expression or the equation. So here similarly, we can even multiply both sides of an equation by same non-zero number, that is other than 0, we can multiply on both sides of an equation, or even we can multiply the same expression also on both sides of the equation. Similarly, as in the fourth step, we can divide both sides of an equation by same non-zero number or same expression. So here we can solve an equation by following these rules. So these are the 4 rules which can be applied or implemented while performing the or while finding the variable's value of an equation. In order to find out the variable value, that is the value of an equation, or to find out the root of an equation, so we can add the same number on both sides of an equation, or we can add the same expression on both sides of an equation. Then now here we can even subtract the same number on a same expression from the both sides of an equation as the second step. As the third step, we can multiply both sides of an equation by other than 0 number or an same expression. Similarly, we can, in order to solve an equation, so here we can divide both sides of an equation with the same non-zero other than 0 number or the same expression.